Hello, this is Sweaty Suzuki Domo. So today I'm at this place, Takeshiba, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get on this ship. It's called Tokyo-wan Noryo-sen. It's that one. I'll show the ship later, but special thing about this ship is we get to ride on the ship for 2,600 yen, and then you get unlimited drink including alcohol, and we get to go around Tokyo Bay area, which it should be nice because it's gonna be nighttime and all the lightings is gonna be really nice. So yeah, we're gonna go there with a couple of my friends. I just find out right now, I didn't notice. So the name of it is called Tokyo Noryo-sen, but there's another name, aka Nampa-sen. It means in English like hit on girls. Nampa means hit on girls, so hit on girls ship, something like that. So like a lot of guys will hit on girls on this ship. That's the image of this ship. So wow. Yeah, let's see. If you find a group of girls, then it's most likely they're expecting guys to hit on them. So yeah, I mean, for all guys out there who wanna get Japanese girls, then I guess come to this place, Tokyo-wan Noryo-sen. So in order to get on this ship, you gotta buy the ticket online, and then once you buy the ticket, you gotta come to this place called passenger terminal. You get your ticket and bring that ticket to that counter over there, and then they'll give you another ticket. That's a ticket to get on the ship. Yeah, that's pretty much the first thing you gotta do. So a lot of my friends is here. I'm with Yohei. Osha's here too. Look at that line. That's a crazy line. It goes all the way back there, down that way, and then this way. If you want to get to the best spot, you should come early. There you go. Shit. It's moving. Damn. It's moving right now. Pizza tabetai. I got pizza. Thank you, Hime-chan. Pizza. I got pizza. Alright, so my friends, Osha and Amigo, they're gonna walk around and see if guys gonna talk to them. And Yohei and Yama-chan's gonna walk around too, and they're gonna try to talk to girls and see if they're gonna get something. We're gonna do that right now.
髪の毛さ、ぼさってる？でもいい感じ。マジで？そこの角開いてない。いいじゃん、いいじゃん。なんかもうさ、出来上がっちゃってるとこ多くない？男女カップルで、グループがさ、分けられてるっていうかさ、ここいてもちょっとダメだったら下行ってみる？でもみんな若いんだよね。そうなんだよね。そうなんだよね。もうちょっと年上の人たちの方が来てくれそう。わかる。そうなんだよね。そうなんだよね。もうちょっと年上の人たちの方が来てくれそう。わかる。 こんにちは。
あれ先輩なんですけど、
先輩。
声かけるって全然。
先輩も一緒に乾杯しましょう。乾杯。乾杯。乾杯。いけない。いやいやいや。さよなら。全部できやる。
すみません、とりあえず乾杯だけさせてもらおう会なんですけれども、そもそもお酒飲んでないっていう話なんですね。
あ、持ってないですね。持ってないね。今日ちょっとお酒が多いですから。
お酒ダメなんですか？
飲まない。あ、もう飲まない。
それはキリスト教みたいな。
どういうこと？
宗教絡みなのか、死んだおじいちゃんが言ってたのか、それともそれ
重いよ。
重いな。
重い。彼氏いるんですか？時期尚早。本当に？ちょっとそれはそれで嬉しいんだけど、なんかうちらを返さなきゃいけない程度押してもらっていいですか？番号入れればいいってこと？番号入れればいいです。別に僕もストーカーじゃないんで、普通に帰ってこなかったらちょっと心に傷は負いますが。
傷つけど。
じゃあお名前だけ伺ってもいいですか？ウッチーさん、ありがとうございます。ジーザスって言います。はいはい、よろしく。はい、よろしく。
よろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
All the business now is my mini-me. Body smoking so they call me young Nicky Jiminy. Rapper is a cousin, feel me. I give them rocks and they got to me. Kiss me, cops every rocks today, Tiffany. Sorry with the show, just call me Stephanie. Gun pop and they make my gun pop. I'm the queen of rock, young Ariana rock pop.
北マリアナとジョニーズバーの代わりにWe sing the song for you アイランドバス停を祝ったからにはサイパンラックが1年に導